Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last session we created some tables and now we're going to move the tables onto their own sheets so that we can add records to them. We'll start with the order table here, so just select the entire table, Control Shift right, Control Shift down will do it, and then to move it we're going to cut it and then go to the orders table here, go to that yellow square and paste. That's the orders table moved there. And as you can see over here, there's some sample data for it. So I might as well populate it now with that table. So Control Shift down, Control Shift right. That's the data selected. And now we can just move it by dragging that data into the table. That's it. That's the orders table now with data in it. As you can see, the table has expanded automatically. I didn't have to do anything to resize the table. When the data is added, it just goes in automatically. Now we go back here and we do the same for products. Control Shift right, Control Shift down, cut, products, and paste. And similarly, we'll move this sample data into the table. Just drag it in, make sure we don't overwrite the headers. And similarly for the customers, Control Shift right, Control Shift down to select the table, cut, go to customers, paste, and similarly we have customer data here, Control Shift down, Control Shift right to select, cut, and we'll come up here and we'll paste it here. And that's the three tables now on their own sheets. As they're on their own sheets, you can see that there's an endless amount of space beneath each table to add more records. And it just makes using the tables much more simple. So that's all there is for this session. Very quick. And I'll see you next time and we'll progress this solution further. So that's it. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.